Take a taste, tell me what you think. That is really good. Hi, Bill the Flavor Guy here, and today we're in my office / lab. There's no chairs, well there is chairs in here, but I never sit in them unless I'm eating a sandwich. But today we're in the lab, and I brought some Cabernet grapes from my house that I really just want the seeds, but I'm also checking these particular grapes for their sweetness or their sugar content. So we'll be measuring the Brix, and we're gonna press them to get that juice out so we can actually measure the Brix. But what I really want are the seeds. I've been growing this particular varietal for a couple of years now, and I like it, and so I want to plant a whole bunch, and I'm going to grow them myself from seed. So what we're going to do today is just basically dump them in our press, get as much of the juice out as we can, then we're going to take what's left and wash it out and harvest those seeds so we can get some grapes grown for next year. Anyway, let's have some fun. Vanessa's going to be here helping me out. And Vanessa has got some ice cold grapes. We're gonna just pour them inside here. It's kind of cool to look at them though. They're, I mean, literally right off the vine. We did refrigerate them a little bit to keep them fresh because we picked them on a day when we couldn't get them here and press them right away. So we put them in the fridge just to keep them chilled. So this is just basically a rudimentary wine press that you can get off of Amazon. They're really not complex, they're really simple and easy to use, and whether it's cherries or grapes or peaches, whatever you want, you can make some really cool purees here or juice stocks. Those that don't know what Brix is it's another way of saying measuring the solids of a liquid, and when we refer to Brix in our industry, we're referring to the sugar content of whatever it is we're measuring. So whether it's ready to drink, you know, like a Coke or a cola is like a 10.5 Brix or 10.5% sugar. But Brix can also measure salts and other solids too. All right, so now we're gonna close up the press. And when we do press them, I don't wanna get too tight a press because I don't wanna ruin the seeds either. So you can see the color of the juice now is starting to come out. It'll get a little bit more redder as we start to press down and break up some of the skin a little bit, because the color comes from the skin. Everybody thinks grapes are red on the inside or purple. They are not. I think these are Chardonnays, not Cabs. I think I grabbed the wrong ones. I have both, but this looks like Chardonnay to me. I'm not gonna take a sample off of this for the check for the Brix, but I'll let you guys take a little sample to taste. You'll love it. Take a taste, tell me what you think. Okay, I'll do it for you. That is really good. Nice amount of tartaric acid. I'd say that Brix is closer to that 14 mark. So we go send a sample to the lab and see what kind of Brix they get. Or wait, why don't we go take the camera and see for ourselves? Except, I gotta put my hairnet on. All right, come on in. We're in the QA department in Nature's Flavors. So one of our technicians here is gonna do a refractive index or check the sugar content. That's the Brix. So it's basically a very simple machine, very expensive machine, but it checks the sugar amount. It's pretty accurate. 18, wow, there's a lot of sugar there. I can make some good wine with that. 18, it's right on the money. 18.6? Wow, so it's almost 19% sugar. If you were making wine, that's what you want. High sugar, that's not even concentrated. And if we add yeast to that, the yeast is gonna gobble up that sugar and make alcohol. And because it's a great tasting flavor already, if we had a ton of this stuff, we'd make a great wine with it. All right, so that's what's left of our juice after we all sampled and drank some as well. Not that we took a lot, but pretty amazing stuff. You see that beautiful pink color, typical of a Chardonnay, a rosé. And I'd say we got just a little bit better than 32 ounces out of that. What do you think, Vanessa?
I think you're right.
All right, so not a lot of grapes, a decent amount of juice. We found out that our acid content was 0.9, which is measured as tartaric acid, and our pH is about 3.3, so we're right in range for a really good wine as well. And our sugar was 18.6 Brix, or 18.6%. And we could get more out of this if we wanted to. I can tell there's still some juice here.
Oh yeah.
But as I said, what we're really after in this particular case is we want these seeds. That's it. That's what we're after. Well, that concludes the video on the Flavor Guys Chardonnay grapes. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you have any comments. I hope they're good ones. It's the Flavor Guy saying, see you soon. Something like that.